Hi guys, wanna learn this comic book style edit? Let's go to After Effects. So have your clips ready like this. Now pre-compose the clip and add Pixter Pro to it. Now duplicate the Pixter layer. Set here 150. Create a keyframe. Then go to the end and set -150. This is basically for microwave. Now go to graph and copy my graph. Alright. Now go to the middle of your clip and render only a single frame from here. Select format as PNG sequence and then just render it. Now for the comic book effect, you come to Gemini and upload your image file here and copy paste this prompt. Then you will get something like this. You can also make changes in this image like this. Now just click on download. Now come to After Effects and import your image file. Now add an adjustment layer above it. Also add tint to it to make it black and white. And motion tile too. Now add BCC cross glitch with the adjustment layer and copy my settings. Now cut the image file like this. And you will get something like this. Now just pre-compose all this, add an adjustment layer and add as blur curves. Click on Z distance, press U on your keyboard, go to the end and set another keyframe. Select the keyframes, press F9 to easy ease, then choose edit value graph. Now your cool comic book style effect is done. So if you like this tutorial, make sure to hit a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. See you soon guys.